Welcome back to the Student Cooking Guide. Today we are making the perfect student recipe, Chicken Fajitas. Chicken fajitas are one of the easiest, quickest and most delicious meals available to students. Chicken fajitas are also great for group meals to impress your flatmates. We are going to start by dicing 2 chicken breast fillets. I have found that 2 breasts should provide enough meat for 5 larger fajitas by 8 smaller ones. Notice that I am once again placing a tea towel under the chopping board to make sure it remains still whilst cutting. You can replace the breast for thighs for an even cheaper option, however that would be a slightly less healthy alternative due to the higher fat content found in dark meat. Place the chicken into a large mixing bowl, then add 1 roughly chopped onion, a finely chopped chilli, 2 minced garlic cloves, 3 to 4 tablespoons of chopped coriander, and finally a generous amount of lime juice. We are also going to add some dried chipotle chili flakes, however any alternative dried chili flakes will be fine. Now mix together thoroughly using your hands. Once mixed, cover using cling film and let it marinate for around 30 to 60 minutes. Once marinated, add a tablespoon of rapeseed oil to a pan. When the pan is suitably hot, add the entire contents of the bowl into the pan. Mix to ensure all of the chicken is able to touch the surface of the pan, mixing occasionally until the chicken is cooked all the way through and the onions have become soft. Make sure the chicken is properly cooked by cutting a large piece in half and checking the colour is the same in the middle, without any pink or raw areas. We're going to be serving this with our own tortillas and tomato salsa, tutorials for both of which can be found on the channel. Finally, we are going to recommend adding some sour cream and coriander to the fajita. This recipe is very adaptable, especially when it comes to the spiciness. Another topping that we find works really well with this recipe is roasted peppers or guacamole, so feel free to experiment with different toppings to your own personal liking and spiciness. And there we have it, the perfect meal for a student in a rush or looking to impress some housemates. Feel free to follow us on the social medias linked in the description below, and if you enjoyed this recipe hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more. See you in the next video.